VW Golf R, protected with Pandora Light Pro alarm. The alarm itself comes with a long range remote pager and a tag, and of course an app on your phone to see your vehicle. As a standard, comes with a shock sensor, tilt sensor, motion sensor. As an optional, we added in this vehicle remote started. So we're gonna demonstrate how that works. Right now the vehicle is unlocked. We're gonna lock it, and you're gonna see the total closure works on this specific model. The remote start, you can do it through the pager, the app, or through the original key. So I'm gonna press the pager, press the hold 1, so 3. You see the indicators flashing, so that means you receive the command, and now the vehicle gonna start. The vehicle is running, is still protected, full lock. So full lock is protected. And now I'm gonna switch off the vehicle from the app. So I send the command and the vehicle now is off. We can demonstrate you the sound of it.